IzAlyssa. The moonlight spilling through the blinds, leaving all the world behind. Paper thin and ground up green, the quietest high I've ever seen. You break it down with steady hands while we map out all our secret plans. A spark, a glow, the smoke starts to rise, watching the drift as the evening dies. In this hazy paradise, the stars burn in the sky. I've never felt so alive, with you forever by my side. I'm drifting on a rising tide. I lose my way within your eyes, where every truth is a disguise. I'm falling for your beautiful eyes, lost in this hazy paradise. Everything's soft, every word is a slur. We're tracing patterns in the thick of the smoke, laughing at things that aren't even a joke. The world outside is just a ghost in the night, while we're huddled here in the flickering light. I see the reflection of the moon in your eyes, watching the smoke as it starts to rise. In this hazy paradise, the talking fades out as the room goes still, lost in a stare for the ultimate thrill. Then clothes hit the floor in the glow of the room, while the heat in our blood starts to heavy and bloom. It's skin against skin as I'm worshiping you in a slow motion rhythm, just us in the view. I'm watching the juice as it runs down your thighs, under the spell of your beautiful eyes. And oh, hazy paradise. The stars burn in the sky. I've never felt so alive, with you forever by my side. I'm drifting on a rising tide. I lose my way within your eyes, where every truth is a disguise. I'm falling for your beautiful eyes, lost in this hazy paradise. Lost, just you and I, in this hazy paradise. Wet dreams, side by side. You're my hazy paradise. Lost, just you and I, in this hazy paradise. Wet dreams, side by side. You're my hazy paradise. Hazy paradise. Hey.